Guess the today's topic, the thing which you use every day. We all cannot live without it. You drink it, wash with it, cook with it. Absolutely correct, the water. Life on the earth wouldn't exist without water. So the question is, from where you get water? Today's topic is water bodies on the earth. Have a sip of Branovita and let's go for info ride. You all knows it already that almost 73% area of the earth is covered by water, and similarly human body, our body is also covered by 73% of water. All the water bodies on the earth are connected to each other on the basis of type of water it has. We differentiate it as salty water resources and fresh water resources. Let's check out the sources of water. Number 1. Oceans, the largest body of the water on the earth. Largest and deepest too. Do you know, friends, the highest point in the world is Mount Everest and its height is 29,035 feet. And deepest point on the earth till now is at Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean and it's 36,200 feet deep. It's bigger than Mount Everest. Can you imagine? Oceans are made of salt water. There are millions of species under the oceans like whale, sharks, sea turtles, marine invertebrates like jellyfish, starfish and many more. All the oceans are connected to each other, but on the basis of their location we named it as Pacific Ocean, the largest one, Antarctic, Arctic, Atlantic and Indian. Second salty water resource is sea. It is the portion of the ocean that is partly surrounded by land, like Arabian Sea is a part of Indian Ocean. Mediterranean Sea is a portion of Atlantic Ocean. Now we will start the series of freshwater resources. Number 1. Lakes. As I said earlier, all the water bodies are connected to each other, but lakes are the exceptions because lake is surrounded by the land on all sides. So how the lakes are formed? Lower part of the land like basin collects the water from rains and the underground water streams, and then lakes are formed. These are natural lakes. It is also formed when meteors hit the land. There are man-made lakes also which are formed due to damming of water. All the lakes should have continuous source of water, otherwise they tend to dry up. Largest lake on the earth is Superior Lake. It is shared by 2 countries and 3 states. Number 2. Rivers. Rivers are flowing water body and due to its continuous flow it has a clear and fresh water mainly. River starts in the mountain or hills where rainwater gets collected or ice get melted. Rivers flows down through the mountain, through the valleys, across the landscape, and we all uses these flows for transportation, power creation. River banks are very useful for agricultural sector. The end of the river is called mouth and it can be anywhere in the lake, in the sea or in another river. Nile is the largest river on the earth. It passes almost through 7 countries and its mouth at Mediterranean Sea. Number 3. Streams. Stream is the small version of river. It is so important. Many living organisms and plants depend on it. Streams are very beautiful. Some of them flows continuously all the year, called as a perennial streams. Our Mother Earth is full of water, and so our life is. All the water bodies, oceans, lakes, rivers, streams plays very important role for our living beings. So try to save water at most. It's time for a new fact. Planktons are microscopic organisms found in oceans. They drift about in water, allowing tides, currents and other factors. Phytoplanktons, which are plants, makes their energy through photosynthesis, so effectively releases oxygen. Phytoplanktons account for about half of the photosynthesis on the planet. making them one of the world's most important producer of oxygen. See you in the next episode with the new concepts and more facts. For that, like, share and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon